Okay, hi all. All right, I just got this alley order in, and y'all, whew, this is gonna be a long one. Number one, let's first start off by blaming Joe. Hi, Joe. Okay, when I send links to stuff, I expect people to just say okay or don't even reply. Whenever I send a link to Joe at something I'm looking at on any site, she come back with a bunch of stuff like, oh, check this out, and then it's game over. All right, let me show y'all all this stuff. Let me take a seat, y'all, because yeah, it's one of them videos. So, and I would like to add, I ordered all this before I even made a decision to get a heat press that I still haven't plugged up. Don't judge me. All right. And y'all know this time I got two of everything. Why? Because when I ordered some the last time, I don't know if it's a better look to look like this or look like this, so we'll do it either way. But I only ordered one of each of them, and I didn't think anything was wrong with that until someone asked me if I could share the link, and I went back and got the link. That vendor is not even there anymore. And I did like Joe said, I took the picture and I sent it to them. You know how they do it, where you can be able to, they'll find other items that's similar, if not the same. None of them came up. So it's still a mystery. I'll show it to you all just in case any of you all ever come across it. If you do, please send me a link, because I'm still upset that I only have the one. Hold on, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I only have one. This one of her. I didn't order but one because I'm silly. But I won't make that mistake again. So yes, let me show you again. So this is, I think she is so beautiful. I love everything about it. I love the colors. I love her facial expression. I love it. And so let me show you this one. Again, I love the sassy facial expressions. I love the color. I love the vibe to go with it. You'll be able to tell. And I wanted to show this one because I know these two might look similar, but they're not the same. See how, okay. I don't know what's going on, but you can hear it outside. But yeah, I love this. I mean, again, I'll turn them this way too, because I don't know which direction you'll be looking at them in. And I will have the links and stuff later. Oh, but I can't let you know right now how much I paid for them. These were $1 each. Yeah, so there you go. These were $1 each. I'm looking at it right now. But like I said, I'll have the links because I'm going to post this video on YouTube as well. Just look at her. Beautiful. And again, show it like this. Ooh. And as always, let me know in the comments what you all think of them. You know, which ones y'all like, which ones, you know. Even if it's something you might not like, let me know why. Everybody has different taste. I love it. Whew, y'all know I can't wait. Look, you're gonna be like, Tyra, we tired of seeing you posting up jackets. I'm even gonna put some on backpacks, because yes, backpack. Sing it if you know it. Because of course I watched this YouTube video and this lady was like, let me show you these not backpacks, but these like her bags that she got from Dollar Tree. And yeah, baby, slapped them suckers on her heat press and just she was like, so they went from $1 to how much I sell them for. And I was like, girl, I am not mad at you. Okay. Look, who else know me? No, you know doggone well I was get, come on. Gamer for life. For life. Okay. Oh, P.S. This has nothing to do with anything, but let's talk. Okay, in the comments, what was the one movie that kind of messed you up when you were younger? but you thought it was going to be an awesome movie, just throw it in there. For me, oh shoot, nah, I think it was like The Last Unicorn. It was with, I think it was one of the first movies that Tom Cruise was in. And this movie freaked me out, okay? Like, because, like, I thought it was going to be like, when the back then, their version of commercials or whatever, it looked like it was going to be a nice little movie. And it went left real quick, and I was just, look, I still remember it was, we watched it on, this how y'all gonna know my age. Remember when cable first came out? I don't know what the name of y'all's was, but I was with Star TV. And it came on there. And when I tell you, my brother and I was dead silent. Look, I'm gonna just put with unicorn. I don't know. And y'all know I love unicorns, but that movie, yeah, it was, it was called Legend from 1985. And they say it's a dark fantasy adventure, but they didn't say that back then. Y'all know I'm from New Orleans. You know I had to get these Mardi Gras. What? Les bon ton roulé. Yeah, everybody, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Point being, okay, spoilers. Okay, this movie blew my mind because number one, it was 2 unicorns, okay? And then they killed one, chopped the doggone horn. It was horrific, okay? And again, I was a kid watching this like, what in the heck am I watching? And then the girl he was in love with, she was all sweet and nice. And then she got seduced by the devil. And I know you like, Tyra, wait, where you going? And I'm going to say this again. This was a kid's movie, and I think it was made by Disney. I'm not even making this up. And yes, I said she was seduced by the devil. Uh-huh. And then she turned into this horrific, I don't know what you want to call it, but y'all, again, I'm sitting up there watching that movie, horrified. King Kate. But yeah, so yeah. That movie and another movie, again, I was a kid, and this was supposed to be a kid's movie, and this one I know was made by Disney because I have the DVD. It was called Something Wicked This Way Comes. Yeah. I dare y'all to watch them right now. They still horrify me. I had my daughter watch it just to make sure I wasn't tripping, and she was like, okay, Mom, this is not no kid's movie. I'm like, yeah, but it was... It was given a kids. Can y'all tell? I love art, and I love the way they're able to put art on, I don't know, apparel. Joe, did I say it right? But I love this. I hope you all do too. And I hope y'all have a good day, even though y'all listening to my silly self having flashbacks of when I was younger. But yes, this is the things that traumatized me as a kid. So, welcome to my world. Oh, I love all this. I love colors. Y'all already know, I like when you're able to wear different stuff. Like, I don't like when it's just one thing where you have to wear like white or black or whatever. I like when you can wear whatever color shoes, whatever color jeans, blase. Y'all know I love butterflies. Butterfly in the sky. How can you fly so high? I got a bunch of these. Love me some butterflies. And these, oh my God. As soon as I saw them, I was like, my mom would love these because my mom has pictures like this at the house. So I know doggone well she'll love these. I haven't decided if I want to do this on a bag or something for her, or, you know, a shirt, something. And I'm going to send it to her just so she can get her mind blown. Knowing my mom, she'll be like, why didn't you just frame it and send it to me as a picture? I know she'll do that because that's my mom. Let me know if you all have mom like that. Or had a mom like that. Isn't she go? I just face flawless. I love strong women because, you know, that's how I grew up. I was raised by a bunch of strong women. The very first doctor I had when I, you know, she was my doctor all my life, but she was a strong woman, very awesome, but she could talk to you and y'all just equal and the same. I like that. I don't like when, you know what I'm saying? I don't like when people talk down to you. And well, I don't like when they talk to you like you're a baby, and I don't like when they talk to you like you're not on their level. I don't like people like that. And no, like as soon as somebody start talking like that, I walk off, and they be like, "What's wrong with her?" No, it's yeah, no, yeah. I hope I'm not going too fast with this, but I'm just trying to show everything. So, 'cause I was supposed to be working today, but you know, as soon as this came, I was up there like, okay, work got to come in later, because I'm showing this in my group. There we go. Look out. I just love, like, I love all of this. I love it. And again, I know my mom is going to be like, Tara, why didn't you frame me? Because that's how my mom is. I love this. And then y'all know I'm a Cowboy fan. Y'all don't have, did you even dream I wasn't going to get these? Oh, and I wanted to know, I got them in the smaller, you know, because I like getting them in the smaller sizes too, because, well, I like when you do that match, because come on now, can you not see this on a pair of boots and on a hoodie? Be like, what? Say what? Say what? Say what? Say what? Okay, now that's on, man. Come on. Okay. Okay. And I got these. And I didn't realize, okay, tell me if this is not weird. Okay, I'm not just, like, don't get me wrong, prayer circle, very, very empowering, very beautiful. But I also got this, right? And this is cool, right? But, okay, hold on. Just tell me if I'm wrong for thinking this. Hold on, where's she at? Where's she at? I got this, too. And you go, so what? Why it look like she done beat that man down and he praying for somebody to come help him? That's just my version. But I have a sick mind, y'all. But in my mind, it looked like she won the fight and he lost. But that's just me. And this is homies. His homies praying for him because they like, we can't even help you, bro, because we done watched her knock you out. So we not getting in it. And you go tired from, you know, from the psychology, what type of way that you got some real weird mental issues. Because you think that's negative. That I know I don't care. So like I said, it looked like she beat him down. His friends saw it, watched it, didn't help him, but they was like, we're going to pray for you, man. I also got I am not going to get that out. It's in y'all head too. I'm sorry. Once I do it, it's like, that's how you know it's a toxic trait. It's like an injection. I didn't inject that all in y'all head. You're welcome. You're welcome. Like I said, y'all, I'm so sick. I keep thinking about this. It's going to be fun. Okay. So, yeah. I'm going to be posting these. I don't know if it's going to be today because, like I said, I got work to do. But I will be posting them on YouTube with the links. I love this picture. But, like, this is how... Okay. Y'all seen me do this before. Like, I like the picture, but I don't like the setup. So what I like to do is I like to cut around here, right? And then I'm able to post cut these and put them wherever I want on a picture. I don't like them to just be like this. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'm just weird. Okay. And then, oh, wait, no. Hold up. Because I got, it's her, but it's in her in different forms. So you'll see what I'm saying now. So. And again, I don't like this, like, yeah. I would go pull those boots. Hey, nope, I gave those to my niece, Marcella. So I was about to say I have the boots and stuff, but I gave them to my niece. Go, niecey. Go, mama. Go. When I went to New Orleans, I dropped, oh, baby, y'all just don't even know. Y'all wish y'all was in my family because I brought my nieces, like the majority of the shoes I've blinged for myself and other shoes that I had. Because like with this room, I've redecorated it and changed it. And I just wanted to just start off fresh. So for me, with the redecorating and everything, I feel like this is a new room. So I wanted to just start off all over again with all new bling. So let me know what y'all think about that idea, because my nieces were very happy. And like I said, I have the smaller version of these to put on. Shoes, hats, you never know. But that girl again. I've already discussed what I think of. And so this is my haul video. Let me know what y'all think of it. And let me know if y'all want to see some more of these. It won't be anytime soon because, I mean, that's a lot. And we all know I'm already figuring out what I'm going to do with that. And I'm already on to, have y'all seen the ones for cups? Oh my God. I didn't even know. Didn't even know. And you go, Tyra, you about to start doing cups? I don't want to say yes or no. I'm going to just say, I don't know. I'm just looking. Just like with Amazon, y'all know. I just like looking, and who knows? That's the good part about being inspired and having aspirations, because I never say never now with crafting. With anything else, marriage and stuff like that, never. But with the crafting, I never say never now, because I like evolving. I like doing different things. I like never mentally getting bored. And so who knows what all of us, who knows what we're going to be doing in the future. 3 months from now, 3 years from now, God spare our lives, what we're going to be doing. But the fun part is to be hopeful of what we're going to be doing. So hope that wasn't too deep for y'all, but have a nice day. Bye all.